Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Girl Next Door This Side. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to show you my hair masking routine using Biotique Bio Mask Root, which is extremely organic and very good for hair, and this product is extremely underrated, to be honest. I will also use rosemary oil. Few drops of rosemary oil leads to very good hair growth, and alongside that I will also use castor oil, which is a very good hair growth inducer. And then curd makes our hair soft, silky and very hydrated. And we will mix all these four things and make a paste like this, and so that the consistency is like this, like mud, and there should not be any lumps in this. And then we will clearly make our hair into partitions, and we will comb them very well so that there is no tangles. And then we will take in lumps and we will place it in our scalp and cover them very nicely. We will make sure that the hair is very nicely coated with this mixture, and we will make sure that no part is getting missed, even below the neck, on the neck area, on the scalp area, crown area, everything needs to be covered in this. We will also make sure that the lengths are covered, the ends are covered, because our ends are where most of the damage is. Then we will secure this with a clip and keep it for 2 hours. After 2 hours we will shampoo our hair. I didn't use any conditioner, and then what we will do is we will air dry our hair and not using any heat. And you can see that how my hair is looking right now. It looks healthy, it looks shiny, it looks very nice, very soft to the touch, and most of all it looks very healthy. So yeah, I hope you liked my video. I hope you enjoyed this entire routine. Try it at your end. I can guarantee you it's going to be a game changer for hair if you're able to do this twice in 1 month. Thank you so much. Subscribe.